Okay, at the last lecture, we have already discussed how to change the viewpoint by holding the middle key of your mouse or just click this preset. And I think that's pretty much all you need to know before you just get to work. Okay, so I think we pretty much got everything we need, and then we got to work. As you can see that I just clicked this little red and white circle here with a crosshair in the middle, and you click that, you move that around, and it stick to one place. Well, I think that's what we are going to discuss in this video. Okay, so I think this is one of the most important thing if you want to add more objects in this Blender engine. And this, as you can see, this is a cursor. Okay, so this cursor is what you are focused on right now. Okay, so if I move the cursor around, I can put the cursor at any place in this world, but as you can see, this is a 3D world, so it's become very difficult for you to know where it is. So you can just you put in the exact information of this cursor. Okay, let me just move that out. Okay, so this 3D cursor, you know the exact location X, Y, Z. You can put all 0, and the cursor will went back to its original place. Okay, so that's where the cursor original place is. Okay, and why we need to focus too much about the cursor? Because the cursor is the place where if you add some new objects in, and it will show as the cursor's place. Okay, so I have added a new concept which is object. Everything in Blender is the object. So as you can see, there is a camera object and there's a cube object. As you can see, once I click this object, the object's parameters will become yellowish. I think it's orange. And once I click the light, and the light become orange. Okay, let's just set for orange. Okay, so you can click everything: the camera, the cube, the light, and you can also click that directly. Okay, but as you can see, once I clicked it, the cursor changed because I'm in the cursor mode. So let's just put the cursor back to its original place. 0, 0. Okay, it's not here, but let me press N and put 0 here. So the cursor is in the original place, and let me just change to the select box. So you can just click everything and you will select them. Okay, so you can either select the camera here, or just click the camera at the scene. Okay, or you want to select the cube, you can just click the cube or click here. I personally just click everything on the screen, but if there is a lot of things that's overlapping, and I'm just going to use different name and just click what's here. Okay, so I think this is pretty much all about how to choose things, and we're going to add things and delete things. Okay,